The Bespoke AI Laundry Combo is equipped with a pair of reservoirs to automatically dispense detergents and fabric softener. The Auto Dispenser drawers are located behind the door at the bottom of the unit. You'll fill Dispenser 1 with general detergent and Dispenser 2 with general detergent, specialty detergent, or fabric softeners. Adjust the Auto Dispenser settings to your setup. You can change the dispenser mode, detergent type, concentration, and amount. Picking the correct settings here will make sure your clothes are treated just the way you want them. In order to keep them working at their best, make sure you clean out the dispenser reservoirs and tray monthly under running water with a brush. Cleaning the dispenser will prevent buildup and help the combo precisely care for your clothes. After cleaning, make sure the dispenser is fully dry. Close the dispenser reservoirs completely before filling them. Replace the reservoirs and close the compartment tightly to prevent leaks.